Hey, so I've just been skiing this thing here. You don't know if you see it on the camera there. Very interesting shape. This is probably the most expensive ski on the market at the moment. 1,750 quid without bindings. So 2 grand ski in my hand there. Well, what does 2 grand actually ski like? Well, it's very stiff on the tip and very flexible on the tail, and that was very uncomfortable, I found, in the deep snow off-piste. In the chopped up stuff it wasn't too bad, and here's the interesting thing, it's actually see-through. You can see all the way through the ski. This bit here is about this thick, so I can see maybe the concern of hitting a rock could be fairly terminal for your 2 grand pair of skis. So yeah, is it all bad? It's not all bad, because we did ski on the piste quite a bit, and actually it probably skis like the best fat ski I've ever skied on the piste. So it's 100 underfoot and it's skiing like a, you know, 75, 80 piste ski on the piste. So that's pretty good. But it's got to do the job off the piste as well, I think. So yeah, be interesting to see how the market takes to this one. Good luck.